mama.
What's up guys? Naana po ta diri karon guys para mag-vlog no? Okay.
Let's go!
Naa-date ta karon sa Cebu Safari guys. Kauban natong pamilya guys. Okay, aray lang map para di ta matalang. Joy daw kayo diri guys no? Yeah. Wala pa na-abre guys. Maong strolling sa me sayo ramang kay me guys no. So, waiting game guys.
Hindi ka sa pare ding. Ginalantaran din mo sa YouTube dati ba?
Yes sir. Dream come true para sa mga kids at para rin sa ating mga adult no. Kasi this is the biggest zoo / safari in the Philippines, yo. Kaya bago lahat, ito muna yung ating mga babayaran. Okay? Tayo na nga, pumasok na. Pero sabi nila, hindi daw makakapasok pag hindi nagpicture. Joke lang po. Wala na ako pera na ngayon, ha. Tayo na nga, nag-picture tiger post. Then, after that, pumasok na kami sa minibus. Para sa ating first stop, which is, I don't know kung ano yung makikita doon. Di ko alam, may dragon ba, may leon ba, may tigre, I don't know man. But let's find out. I'm super excited. Just like all of us, okay?
Let's go!
Okay, doon daw kami sa dulo kasi para cool, okay? Yung mga nasa likuran, yun daw kasi yung mga cool sabi nila Okay? Ayun na nga. Okay.
Gugu gaga.
Go gaga. Kid.
Mami. Ito kay mami na. First.
Okay, let's go kid.
Gaga.
Pero guys, hindi na ako nakapag-video dyan guys kasi yung first stop pala namin is mga plants, okay? Tsaka hindi ako mahilig sa plants guys wala din akong alam masyado sa plants kaya hindi na ako nag-video guys. Okay? So, tamang strolling, structure watching, okay? So, more on walking talaga dito, guys. Kung gusto nyo mag-exercise, mag-walk, magpapawis, perfect na perfect po ang Cebu Safari, guys. Para sa ating mga healthy peeps, okay? Tsaka kung pagod na kayo maglakad, meron namang tram, guys. Kagaya nyan, guys. Ito po yung tram stop. So, sakay na daw kami guys. Kasi pupunta na kami sa second spot. Okay?
Mag-isa Duwa magikabuok. Ayan bro. Dito tayo bro. Sila kayo maghanta tayo na animals. Tara na.
Tsaka dito sa Cebu Safari guys, wala talaga siyang guys. Wala talaga siyang yang pakialamanan guys ba kung saan ka pupunta. Ikaw na bahala guys kung saan mo gustong pumunta. Wala kang kasama tour guide na mag-guide sa inyo guys. So, ikaw na bahala. Kailangan picturean mo yung mapa ng buong safari para at least hindi kayo magpaulit-ulit. Okay? So, kumbaga parang DIY lang yung lakad, guys. Ikaw na yung bahala, guys, hanggang sa malibot mo lahat, okay? Tsaka dito kami ngayon, guys, sa mga crowned pigeon. So, tamang touching si Kid. Medyo natatakot pa, no? Okay, kasi parang ayaw magpa-touch ni pigeon, eh. Ayun na nga, lumipad na. Tsaka, ayun, doon na lang tayo sa ano, mga parrot ba yan o lovebirds? Ano ba yan? Hindi ko alam yan, guys. Comment nyo na lang below, guys, kung ano yung ibon na yan, guys. Basta alam ko, kulay red siya. Okay? Ayun, may papatong-patong pa sila sa akin, guys, oh. Parang naninibago ako, guys, kasi at natatakot din. Baka may mga poop sa ating ulo, guys. Baka mag-poop sila, eh. Pero okay lang, guys. Minsan na naman yan, eh. Wala kang makikita dito sa syudad, guys, na ganyan, guys, na may papatong sa ulo mong ibon, guys. Kasi lahat ng mga ibon dito takot na sa tao, guys. Okay?
Oh, ayun oh. Kita mo? Kita mo yung kangaroo, bro? Hindi lang maka na mahulog ha. Feed the kangaroo.
Hala, kangaroo! Sumpak.
Tiger.
Oh my God!
Alright. Hunting kami kasi sabi daw nila, guys, may tiger na dito, eh. Di ko lang alam kung totoo ba or haka-haka lang nila yun, guys. Let's find out kung meron ba talagang tiger. Okay, kung legit. Okay, tamang walking sa parang shrine, no? Parang Japanese shrine, guys, oh. Diba? Sobrang peaceful ng area. Wow! At ayun, habang nag-strolling, may nakita kaming peacock. Peacock ba yan, guys? Comment nyo nga, guys, kung peacock yan, guys. Yeah! Ayun na nga, natakot siguro siya kay Kid. Kaya siya lumipad palayo, guys. Okay. Sabi nila may baboy ramundo dyan, guys. Oh! Ayun! Ayun daw, oh! Hala! Ayun na nga, guys. May tiger, guys. Parang scary naman yan, guys. Kasi yung pagitan namin is glass. Salamin lang po yung pagitan, guys. Kung gustuhin lang ng tiger na basagin is parang hindi naman. Parang safe naman tayo, guys. Okay? Tamang drinking lang si White Tiger, oh. Sobrang rare niyan, guys, kasi white. Okay? Grabe, tamang walking lang si Tiger. Nag-aantay lang daw siya ng feeding time. Okay? Which is mamaya, guys. Tsaka yun na nga. Yung incubation room. Okay, nadaanan din namin, no? Yung mga breedings.
Is this aswang, bro? Si aswang, bro.
Aswang.
Tara, bro. Come here. Hindi, oh. Dali.
Si
Ay,
aswang.
Si
Aswang
oh.
na donkey. Haha.
Bro, si aswang, bro. Capybara.
Wow.
Capybara. Sige, go. Get inside.
So yun, hunting kami ng capybara, guys. Yes, sir. Isa din yan sa mga Ito sa capybara. Favorite na animal ni Kid.
Ano kayo lalapit sa bird, sir?
Ah,
Sa
okay.
iba po, yung birds na lalapit sa inyo.
Ano bro?
Nakita niyo lang po kung sino lalapit kayo doon.
Ganyan na lang, ma'am. Ganyan na lang.
Capybara! Capybara! Capybara!
Wala dito sa Lion King, Lion King. Ay, si Pumba. Pumba or Timon ba to?
Oh, di ba ako sa Lion King?
Kani, ay, tama.
Ano siya?
Punta tayo sa lama, dali. Come here. Sige, go to the lama, go to the lama. Touch mo ang lama, touch. Sige, touch mo ang lama. Touch mo ang lama, sige, go. Touch mo lama, dali. Lama, 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 lama. Hi, lama! Hi ka, hi. Doon, doon, may lama doon, no? Hala, okay rin, okay rin. Huwag lang, sige. Hey, lama, sige, call the lama.
Hey, lama!
Go away, siya say, go away.
Go away!
Go away, lama! Hindi lang yan, hindi yan. Mabait yan. Hey, lama! Lama, lama! Hi! Kaya magdaan lang kami ha. So, agi lang to, agi. Hi! Hey, lama! Bagsik yung lama, no? Bantay, bantay. Di man siguro. Agi na. Agi na. Dire ka agi sa gilid. Dire agi sa gilid. Ano, may lama di oh. Hey lama. Agi lang, agi lang. Shh. Shoo. Dire, hadlok na, hadlok. Shoo. Hadlok kasi sa to tao man ta. Bye, lama! Eh, pagdagan!
Hindi pa run, kaya magalit si lama, oh.
Tsaka nagtanong naman kami guys sa mga caretaker dyan guys. Yun si kuya guys, so naka-green. Kung nangangagat ba or nananakit ba si lama? Sabi niya, hindi naman guys. Kasi kung takot tayo sa kanila guys, mas takot daw yung lama sa atin. Yun ang sabi ni kuya guys. Kaya safe lang, okay? Wow! We're going on a lion hunt. Grabe, may pa jumping pa si Kid, no?
White Lion Safari, I'm Avery and I will be your tour guide with this quick tour. And for your safety and comfort, please remain seated while the tram is in motion. Remember to keep secure hold on to the grab bars. And we kindly advise that you avoid using flash photography. Thank you!
Lion! Lion, brother! Trono!
No shouting and kindly minimize our...
Tulong! Sleep siya bro, nag-sleep.
Mag-stop lang mo to yun.
Ikot sila mahawa, no? Mga kaibigan.
No shouting. So we have here 3 lions named Max, Jack, and Bugoy. They are bred and raised in captivity from France. And they are French. Bonjour.
Bonjour!
Spacious area 1.2 hectares where they can freely roam and exhibit their natural behavior.
See the lion?
So these 3 lions po is both males and they are siblings and 9 years old. And you might be wondering why they're called white lions but not entirely white. That's because they are not albino. They are leucistic, which means they have impartial loss of pigmentation resulting in a pale or a nearly white color. So did you know that lions are the second largest big cats following tigers. They inhabit in savannas, open woodlands, and dense grass. Although they don't live in jungle, but they often called the king
That's
of the
the
jungle
king, bro.
due to their strength and ability to dominate vast territories.
That's the king, bro.
Kasi mga babae ng mga lions or lioness here, wala may mga female lion to avoid aggressive fight.
Gaway mo na sa babae.
Okay, only alpha can mate female.
You know. Tama. Yeah. Ha? Ha? Kita mag-walk lang ta?
Pwede mo ka diri mag-ulat na.
Brother! Dromedary camel, bro. Outing, no running.
Do not hold.
Let's go, bro. You good, bro? Oh, wait kay mami. Wait kay mami. Ah. Wait mo si mami. Call mami. Hindi mag-shout ha. Bawal na mag-shout dito. No shouting ba? No shouting. Lock, bro. No. Do not enter. Thank you, ma'am. Okay. Wow, parrot. Ay, okay. The same, bro.
Wow!
Huh? What is this?
So many fish!
Ocean Park, bro.
Wow!
Feed the fish. Atik lang.
Wala na akong fish! Wala akong fish! Bye-bye, fish!
Kaya... Mamaya na, bro. Dito ka muna, bro. Thank you. Ayan sila, tara sila. Ay, bago maabot.
First and that comfort please remain seated with the trunk is moving. Both sides of the ground are side. Don't try to extend your arms outside the trunk. So here inside I will explore the 7 kinds of antelopes and I highlight the zebra.
Bro. Ito, bro. Bro.
The one with the rough coat and shaggy hair under their throat, that's the water buck. So they have a strong association with water that they can use to hide from predators in the wild. And fun facts about them, the older they get, the stinkier they become, and the stinkier they are, more attractive to female water buck. So again, the water buck.
The water back. Magunit.
So we have here the greater kudu. So their horn can twist once in every 2 years and can grow up to 6 feet in length. And that antelope can weigh up to 600 pounds. And known for becoming motionless when sensing danger. The greater kudu.
Greater Puto. Hello. What the fuck?
1,000 kilograms. And female eland can produce milk that's more nutritious compared to cow's milk.
Wow.
The eland.
May mga donkey dito din, oh.
Fresh milk siguro na yun.
Bye.
Lain-lain country na maon.
Bye-bye. Bye, 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 bye.
So it is called African savanna because all the animals here are originated sa Africa. But born and bred in captivity from UAE, USA, and Belgium. And some of them were born here in Cebu Safari.
Terus lagi breeding. Breeding sa lagi breeding. Saan eh? Bison? Bison?
So we have here the wildebeest.
Ay, wildebeest.
They're impressive runners at
Wild
very
beast.
speed 40 miles per hour. And known as the crown of savanna due to their peculiar mating season dances. And if you're familiar with the Lion King movie, that's the same species accidentally killed in Mufasa by the stampede scene. The wildebeest.
Ay, oo, tama. Tama, tama, tama.
King Boy. The one that is brown in color with slim legs, that's the impala. So they can run 90 kilometers per hour and can jump 3-meter cover distances to 12 meters. So males have horns and females don't have. The impala. And that one with the white marking on their faces, that's the blessed buck. So name after the Dutch term blaze, referring to the white forehead. Male and female have ring horn while female having the slightly slimmer one. The blessed buck. And we have here the zebras. So zebras are born with black skin and white stripes. So their patterns are unique, just like human fingerprints. With no two zebra having the same pattern.
Zebra gitu eh.
Itong brown, ma'am.
Ah, okay.
The zebra.
Sorry, bro. Antelope ata? Ay, bak? Bak ano? Balik na ta?
So we have here the oryx gazelle. So their horn can grow up to 85 centimeter long. They're called as the king of Kalahari Desert. So they're excellent in surviving in arid environment. They need water, but they can go without it for an extended period by getting moisture from the plants they eat. Again, the gemstop or oryx gazelle.
Oh, maded ka. Ano ka sa drama? Ano ka? Baba ka.
Okay, after namin mag-African Savannah guys, nag-walking na ulit kami. Parang Baguio vibes lang guys. Sobrang ganda ng vibe, ng weather, ng place, at sobrang cool din ng hangin guys. Para talagang nasa Baguio ka, okay? Ooh. May pa posing. Tamang lakad lang guys. Exercise. Galaw-galaw. Diba guys? Sobrang chill. Okay? Tamang lakad. Lakad lang kami guys. Kasi dyan nakakaramdam na kami ng gutom guys. Tsaka papunta na rin kami sa ano dyan guys, yung basta yung parang resto nila dyan guys. Okay, tsaka may nakita akong leopard. Leopard ba yun or cheetah? Tsaka dumaan muna kami sa crocodile. Mga crocs. Okay? Wow! Tsaka tamang spot lang si Kid guys. Sobrang safe naman kasi matataas yung mga ano nila guys, yung cage. Tsaka yung hagdan is mga steel talaga guys. Okay? Sobrang safe. Yung bridge steel ho lahat. So water crocodile. Okay? Tamang chill. And hindi ko lang alam guys kung bakit may ibang crocs na naka-open yung mouth nila guys. Na para bang sila ay mga statwa guys. Hindi ko alam anong meaning yan guys. Pagod ba sila? Natutulog? Gutom? Comment nyo lang dyan below guys kung anong ibig sabihin yan guys pag yung crocodile is nakanganga. Naka-open yung mouth guys na parang hindi kumikilos. Okay? Ayun na nga, dito kami sa mga giraffe. Okay? First time mo namin makita ng giraffe guys. Kasi sa Manila Zoo walang giraffe. Hi giraffe! Walang giraffe sa Manila Zoo guys. Okay? Giraffe. Grabe tuya eh.
And Solomon Island. Again, I need everyone's cooperation. Now, their favorite food in the world, they may use their feet to hold that things like that. Now, Miss Emmy here is a ground nut. She will place it into the plastic basket. Now, whatever environment they are in, it becomes quite normal to them. Our twins also got the name Lilo and Luna. Now, welcome to the art. Now, blue and omaha, they are large parrot that can be fierce.
Ayun! Tamang hunting lang si Eagle, guys! Pinakita kung paano mag-hunt. Okay, tsaka ito na yung last animal na nakita namin dito, guys. Kasi nung dumaan kami dito is tulog sila, guys. Tsaka nagtatago. Finally, nakakita na rin kami ng lemur, guys. Lemur or lima. Okay? Okay, bro? Okay, approved daw, sabi ni bro, guys. Kaya, ayun na nga, the saddest part is yung kami uuwi na. Okay? Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang po yung vlog natin guys. Maraming salamat po. Please like and share po sa ating channel. Till the next vlog. Bye!